it works now. Okay, it works now. So let's start again. Hello everyone. No. So basically, before you start, you need to prepare some tools. So for version control, I recommend you using Git, because even Linux uses by default. So you can read here why you should use it. I'm using command line interface of Git, so or my VS Code integration with it, but you can use GUI here. So for Windows it's GitHub Desktop, for Linux it's something else. Git Kraken Desktop. Anyway, you should download it and use Git every time, because you can break your code, and with Git you could easily roll back to the previous version. So the next step is to go to our GitHub organization and use this template, create new repository. I already did it, so it's here. Like pressing clone, you can copy the link. I'm using, again, as I said, CLI. So git clone, cloning this repository. I usually do it inside the mods folder, so it's automatically loads from this folder. It's very convenient for the development. So also you of course need a compiler .NET. So we're using specifically C# from .NET, because .NET is a platform and it can run C#, Visual Basic, F#. So we can download it here. I recommend using 8.0 version of it, because BepNX use it, and so I have this version installed. So you can install it. You should install it. Also, you need to choose a CLI IDE. So you can use something lightweight like VS Code. If you need real IDE, I recommend using Rider from JetBrains. Sorry. And also Visual Studio, not code, but like full IDE exists. So you can use it too. I'm using VS Code, and so code. Okay. So to use C# in VS Code, you should download this extension with 2 stars. Okay. So this is a basic template. You can compile it with .NET Build. .NET Build, or maybe you can build it from here, yeah, like this. So now you have Polyscript template DLL in the bin debug net 6.0 folder. First of all, I really recommend you to change the namespace to the to something unique. Also, you should rename this. Open it again. Oh. Like rebuild it again. Oh. Why? Wait a sec. Anyway. So okay, we have a DLL. DLL is dynamically linked library, so it will load in runtime basically. Any questions in chat? This already is okay. So we should write our mod manifest quickly. Okay. So minimum manifest. Oh, whatever. So I don't want to. Oh, actually, I can run the game from the Steam. So I should move this file here and run the game. And logger should work. And we should see. Here we go. Can't find it. Oh, here it is. Here we go from Polyscripting basics. Okay, it is working. So the next step is save our logger to private static logger. So we can use it in every method. So not here. Oh, what? So actually Copilot is quite good for beginners, especially because it can like understand basic things. So let's start with something easy. Actually, my plan was in Discord, something here. Here, I guess. So setup, basic patching and logging. So let's patch game update loop. So update is a special Unity method what's called every frame. So your patches should always be private. So because there should be accessible only from your mod, not any other mods. Should be static to easily load them because they so static means it's have only like it's belong to the class, not instance of the class. In terms of polyscripting, 99 percent of the time you will be using static. Void and like update. So it's just the name of my method. Next thing I want to do is register Harmony. Harmony is a library for patching methods in C#. So Harmony 2 docs, very useful. So we can start from here, for example, basics. So we should create a Harmony instance. Because BepInEx uses fork of Harmony called Harmony X, we can use something like creating page all of type main. Yeah. So it will do automatically a new instance. So let's create our first patch. So basically Harmony patch. So yeah, it is true. So we are getting type of our game manager. Game manager is an object what exists everywhere in the game, here I guess, and the update is as I already said, special method called everyFrame by Unity. We should use the signature of this method, what we patch, yes, like so empty brackets, and no, we can use our logger to log message, building it, non-nullable field logger. Actually it can't. We will suppress it because compiler doesn't know what load method loads by polymod, so listen warning. This warning pop-ups. So let's build it again. And run it. So basically now it will spam into the console on every frame. I guess in the game. I hate Proton on Linux. Why is it working so badly? What is this? Why? Oh, I forgot. I understand. Yes, terminate it, please. First of all, I forgot Harmony prefix. So, what is prefix and postfix? So, prefix executes before the main method, and the postfix after it. So, let's use postfix. I don't know. And yes, it is spamming. Game manager update code. Okay. Uh, so where's our plan? Uh, Basic patching, but we can patch something more interesting. Um, mm, I have an idea, but it's not. Yeah, we have a purchase manager. Anyway. Hmm. Uh, anyway, let's create pop or UI pop-up, because why not? Not update, but start. No start. Okay, so game manager. Mm, so we can declare bool boolean library is initialized. So on first we can make so this is patch for running its single time on load, because so on first frame, first update, it will go in here, check if it is initialized, it is false, exclamation mark is not, so if not initialized, so we set initialize to true and doing something, and after that on the second frame it will check, like it will be now true, true, if not true, but it is true, so it will not go here. Now we can open a pop-up, so pop-up manager, get basic pop-up, help basic pop-up data, so we can create just new like this. It will automatically use the class, the right class to initialize, create instance of. So we have string header, string description, and array of buttons. So let's fill header. Okay. We should create IL to CPP array. You must import it. So and we must pass for example, yes, usual managed, not IL to CPP array. New, yes, you can use automatic type. Substitution, how call it? This is a funny one, really funny one. So it is IL to CPP, so you should cast this into this, I guess. No? So callback parameter. Like this. UI button base dot button action. What? Hello. Okay, so I don't really remember how to do this. So let's look at polymod. Sorry. So it's something here. Button action. Okay, callback. Because not visual. No way. Oh, because not visual. Because hub. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about button action. Constructor takes two arguments, int id and base event data. So int id, but we'll discard it, and base event data. We'll discard it too. It will work. Okay. It is smarter than me. Let's just copy this line with Ctrl and Shift. Build it. Imagine building for 3 seconds. Oh. Where is my pop-up? Okay. Null reference exception. Cool, because it's too early. So I think we should patch something like start screen. Yes. And it have start, so no crashes with this thing. This will start is called by Unity once, then object is initiate instance. Oh, created. Okay, let's build it. Replace start. So it should work now. It is not working. Why? Oh, I know why. I know why. Because get basic pop-up is giving us pop-up. You can use var, it's automatic type substitution too. Pop-up. Pop-up. And pop-up dot show. Okay. Okay. Okay, so don't forget you can go to utilities and templates and then pin you this is my script, my Python script, to download sources of the Polytopia, and then you can use dnspy-x, not dnspy because it's kinda outdated, I guess. Yeah, it is archive. Now it is read only, and you should use the fork. dnspy-x, it's just better. To browse Polytopia source code and like why I'm using start screen. Okay, let's build it again. Copy, move, replace. Right. Also, if you don't want to copy it, then start the game over and over. You can like create new file, like copy your C# proj file, user, or not use. Oh yeah, we got our pop-up with OK and the cancel. So it is working. Thanks, Proton. It's died. Thanks. So I can just poly mode. Not user.c#proj, but .user. Use this thing. So post build, it's an action or script. It will be executed after build. So when you're building, oh, okay, never mind. So it will copy. For Windows you should use something like xcopy Windows and like I'm on Linux, so I'm using CP. Target path, and it will be copied to, for example, mods. Okay, and we will automatically open the game, so I can close Steam now. So I'm building. Okay, this failed. Why? Cool. Ah. Those quotes are not working. What? What is happening? It copied the file. Wait a second. No. I think because it should use some special encoding and cut command concatenation. Just removed it. Not really? Wait, what? What? I don't know what is happening. Maybe you know? No? Okay. We will manually copy our dynamically linked library. Why it isn't working actually? I have no idea. Okay. Why is this crashing my game? Pressing the buttons. That's because of Proton. Steam Proton line. Can I please close it? No. Thanks. What's the problem to log it? Anyway. So custom abilities. To be honest, I have no idea how to patch GLD. To be honest, so we'll go and read the wiki because I don't remember shit. Not really. Okay, could person. I don't think in C# you can. You can in C and C++ because there are like preprocessor directives, and you can like define. It's a macro. So and like. This thing exists. It's like C++ but in Russian. I don't think it is possible in C#. Sorry. Let's skip that for now and go to custom GLD data. So we creating a patch for what for you can name method of your patch like as you want, but I recommend you doing something like this. We will patch I think no, not really. I will check it again. Loader. Okay. So it is game logic data. I was right. Okay. Why? Add game logic placeholders. So you see, Newton son Jason Linku. This is an argument of original function. So we should write it here. Even if we don't use it, we should specify it here. So Harmony could find the method we are willing to patch. Object, it will automatically import. Interesting. So we can add a new section. For example, okay, we'll create some patch. I want to create new section like for example spam data. I don't know. So count as integer and message as string. So if this section is not equals to true or not equals to null, so this means if spam data exists in root object. Okay, it is true. Quite a bit. So basically, GitHub Copilot is pretty good. No. Now we can get count like this. Yeah, to object integer and message. Now we can like print for. Note what you can use the for loop snippet, so you're using not first but second thing, pressing tab, like You can use count here. Faster than usual. We're using our logger to log message. It should work now, I guess. Not really. Don't forget to remove this section from the GLD because base game can't parse it. Oh. I think we can check the logs. Not here, by the way. If something is not working, you should definitely see the log. Here you are. 5 spam messages because you specified count 5 in message here in the new GLD section, so it is working. So again, if you want to find like an entry point for your patch, you should look at the Polytopia source code. I'm just using polymod for reference or something. So yeah, the compiling source code. So you should, for your polyscripting, you definitely should use Harmony documentation. To learn C#. C# is not that hard, and it's kinda Java but Microsoft. And you definitely should use C# doc, C# guide, event guide. So get started. Some basic things like console write line. So we can even run it here. Cool. Interesting. What? Anyway, and the Polytopia source code, of course. So I can try to do a new ability, but I really don't remember how to do it because I never done it, of course. Okay, so I guess we need to create a new unit or modify it. So I will comment out this thing. To do so fast, you can use Control/. It's common hotkey, I guess. So how to dump vanilla game logic data? You should go to your polymod.json and turn debug to true to see console, etc, etc. And after that, It will crash now, yes? Please don't. Okay. Oof. Polymod Hub have an option to dump the data. Dump data. This is a vanilla GLD. Thanks. Please don't. Maybe changing version of Proton. So you can modify, for example, Vario. Okay. Not really. What? Okay, so you need data. Not really. Okay, so I should check it too, because I don't remember. About array merging. Can someone help me? Okay, we're replacing the array. So you can remove, of course. So we're adding our new ability, like to blah. And now we should like declare it. So units ability. I think like this, but please help me. For real. Okay, so it should be like this. So now we are patching, for example, also when you're patching GLD parsing, you should specify harmony priority, and I recommend setting it to help. Last. He's too smart. He's too smart. So I think I should show prefix patch. No. Movement, something with movement. Okay, I do it like that. We'll do it like that. Just a second, I will check something. So okay, I'll just copy this fragment. Why I can't? Where? Get movement. Cost, yes. Okay. So I copied the original method. You can create new file. Change the language to C#. Okay, this is the original method. We'll patch it. We will patch it. So tile data extensions. Not really. Get movement cost. What? Does not exist anymore or something? Okay, okay. Because it's just tile data. Okay, so map data map, tile data, map data, tile data, pathfinder settings. So prefix can return bool, and like for example, so prefix can skip the original method. So if the prefix returns bool, you can return true to skip the original method. We should copy map data. Not really. Map from tile settings. So what happened? Help. So oh, it is not for unit. It is not for unit. Sorry. Just a second. Not really. Maybe here. Yes. Let's go. Units data extensions. Get movement. So you have +1 overload. By the way, I don't remember patching extension methods. Oh, okay. About patching them. Interesting. So if unit data has ability what? So the ability. You should use enum cache. Like this, okay. To get type from name. What do you mean? I don't think so. Wait, I should check it. Why? Okay. Anyway. So we must return the result. So the original, to return the different result, you can't return it like this. You can't. So you should use special argument. Result integer, so int result, But integer is stored on the stack of the computer, so if you modify the result, it will be nothing. You should use reference to pass the pointer to the integer, so the address in the memory, to be able to modify this result. Please stop. I don't want to do. To 0, for example. And we want to skip the original method, returning true. Okay, let's build it. Any questions? What do you mean by other polytopia? I see an error already. Please let me out. Okay. Nice, because I wanted to see ambiguous method match. That's because we have +1 overload, so we should specify what overload we're patching. We're type of and the unit data. Yes. So if we want to patch, for example, what? Help? Unit state, game state. You can specify game state here, game state here, etc. So you can read more about special arguments of your patches here. Here, instance to get this result, to modify the result ref, state, fields, args. Okay, so it should work now, please. Okay, created mapping for unit's ability type. Cool. Now please work. Please. Okay. Our unit. Why he can move? It have blah blah. But he can move. Let's debug it. Can you close? Of course. Maybe this thing is not called at all, for example. don't care actually. Whoa. It is not called. Our original method is not called. I will try like I should find the method for calculating movement. Maybe we can override something else. Unit data extensions. Okay, let's try something else, like get defense. So we don't need this thing. Okay. Uh, oh no. Fatal error. Oh, okay, thanks. It is called BepNX process. I'm too lazy to test get defense. Can freeze area. Oh. Okay, get max health. Cool. Just it crashed. Cool. After checking. How to check the ability? Can someone help me, please? Yeah, the image is black because I'm like using our private repository with Polytopia source code. I think it can be here because like how it is. How to check the ability? This is extension, literally. So this is shorthand for anyway. Maybe like this. I don't know why. It's crashing because I think because of font strip error or something. Okay. Uh, so maybe this is a problem, but I don't think so. But why? Like why? Please stop. No. Okay. Wait. Because I should use case, ignore case. Okay. Ah. close it. Why? I think I will rewrite wall polymer to C++, so it will work on every platform. Okay, it's not working. It is not working. But maybe this is because like Proton. Maybe not. But wait. It is not printed. So let's print basic polyscripting be like true. Okay, so of course key value pair. Sorry. So if someone is here and knows why it is not working, because I thought it is working like that. Unit state has ability and I'm cache and get type, because why not? I don't know why. We have our unit ability. So it should work. This is not recommended. Not recommended. This is wrong way to do it. You should never do it like this. But I need to test it. No. I don't know actually. Sorry. So maybe any questions or something? What? Can I like ping someone? Okay, so no John Clippy. Sadly. Uh, so actually I don't know. I think this is like basics, I guess. You should learn C# before doing Polyscripts, I guess, or at least Java. I think it's more popular, by the way. So as far as I know, this thing should work, because let's try to change the maybe experimental. Maybe something with Proton. Can you reformulate it? Because I not quite understand. Sorry. Okay. So I will test one more time. So what the goals? Just to show. No, I'm just showing like some. Tried to show some basics. So like basic patching. Um. So little bit of UI, how to create pop-ups. Uh, New GLD section. Like this. And I tried to do the units ability, but I don't quite understand why it isn't working. And I don't like the error because it's access. Basically, it's seg fault. It means something is not working inside in L2CPP side, not so you can check this code, I guess, on Windows. I can like I think I can like push it. So wait.
Вань, ну уже знаешь, 9:30.
Anyway. So I can push it, I guess, if it's not our... Okay, yeah, I can push it. Let AI make up. Commit message for me. I can push it. You can test it, basically. I think it should work. You can test it. Compile and test on your Windows machine. So I think that's all. So goodbye, everyone.